Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you have also filed your income tax return and waiting for it to get processed, you are at the right place and this video is for you. Today we will try to find out from the CAGPT as to what is the time limit for the ITR to get processed as per the Income Tax Act 1961. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So here I have opened the beta version of the CAGPT. I will log in here with my credentials. Now I will navigate to the direct taxes GPT. Now I will give the following prompt. As per Income Tax Act, what is the time limit for the ITR to get processed? Give detailed answer. Here we can see that the CAGPT has provided us with the answer as to what is the time limit by when the ITR will be processed. So let's go through the answer. The time limit for processing an ITR under the Income Tax Act is governed by Section 143(1). And below is the detailed explanation of the process and relevant timelines. So basically it says the time limit for processing ITR is governed under Section 143(1), and the process of ITR processing under Section 143(1) has been described here. Preliminary processing. Once an ITR is filed, the Income Tax Department processes the return to ensure the correctness of tax calculations, arithmetical errors, incorrect claims, and verification of tax payments. If any discrepancies are found, an intimation is sent to the taxpayer under Section 143(1). This intimation can result in three possible outcomes. The first outcome is no adjustment is required and the return is accepted as it is. Second outcome is a demand for additional tax is raised. And the third outcome is a refund is determined. So the time limit for processing ITR. The Act stipulates that the return should be processed within 9 months from the end of the financial year in which the return is filed. For example, for the financial year 23-24, that is the financial year which ends on 31st March 2024. For the assessment year 24-25, the returns filed for this year should be processed by 31st December 2024. After processing the ITR, the department issues an intimation to the taxpayer. This intimation is essentially the final word from the department about the acceptance, demand, or refund pertaining to the return filed. If there are any discrepancies, they are communicated through this intimation and the taxpayer is given a chance to rectify or respond. Now we will see as to what is the timeline for processing the ITR in case revised return or belated returns are filed. If a taxpayer files a revised return, the time limit for processing will be counted from the end of the financial year in which the revised return is filed. Belated return. Similarly, if a belated return is filed, the time limit of 9 months for processing will be calculated from the end of the financial year in which the belated return is filed. Now we will see the extensions or exceptions to this rule. In certain situations, like when the return is selected for scrutiny assessment under Section 143(2), the timelines can extend beyond the regular processing period. However, these are for specific cases only and do not apply to majority of the returns. If the return is selected for scrutiny, the assessing officer may issue a notice under Section 143(2) within 6 months from the end of the financial year in which the return is filed, leading to a more detailed examination beyond the initial processing. In summary, the general time limit for processing an ITR under Section 143(1) of the Income Tax Act is 9 months from the end of the financial year in which the return is filed. This ensures timely issuance of refund or demand maintaining a streamlined tax administration process. Hence, going by these provisions, the timeline for processing of the ITR for the financial year which has ended on 31st March 2024 is 31st December 2024. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video useful or informative, please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video.